finally got here
Yeah.
to the sour apple.
Sour apple.
Sour apple sluts. We are sluts for sour apple. Sour apple cocktail. Sour apple cock sluts. Good morning!
Alright. Sour apple. What do we even call it? Sour apple cocktail? Sour apple martini? Like,
Well, it's not
sour
a
apple.
martini
Okay.
glass.
Bulk serve.
We're doing a bulk serve today.
BULKSER.
It's Monday night.
Served.
For a bulk serve, you will need you'll need vodka. You will need sour apple schnapps or liqueur, depending on what
This
you
is liqueur.
have available. We have liqueur.
Liqueur.
You'll need lime juice. You'll need an apple for garnish, and then you'll also need a pitcher, a cocktail shaker to mix everything together, and 2 tumbler glasses.
You also need measuring cups,
Oh yeah, so you need
which is the same every week. But
yeah.
just to remind you,
It just
grab
makes
your
things
measuring
easier.
sheet. Okay.
We need 3/4 of a cup of vodka.
Sorry,
Do you
I'm
wanna hold
literally on some dang shit right now. Alright, here for gear, we're gonna go half a cup and then.
No.
Oh.
3/4. That should be 3/4.
Huh?
3/4 of a cup.
That's half a cup.
Oh fuck! And that's a quarter.
And that's a third. So we're gonna go half.
I wonder
and
why I
half
did
of
that.
It's gonna be a little bit rough around the edges, but
We're like, make sure you have the right measuring cups. I'm so sorry.
smells like ass.
I'd say we're trying, but we're not.
Well done. We know what we're doing here, so.
Tap, tap, tap. Next, we need half a cup of the green apple
Here for
schnapps.
gear, we got the Sierra apple flavored liqueur.
Sour monkey.
It's actually a spirit cooler. I don't know what that means. Ooh.
Next,
Oh, she's swirling.
2 tablespoons of lime juice. You're gonna squirt.
Alright, squirty. Oh, this bitch. Bro, shut the fuck up.
Be very careful when handling knives.
That'll do. And then have a nibble. Today's also. Okay.
First taste test.
Thirst stories. Ooh, look at that. Fucking oozing out the side there. Did you see that? That's kind of scary. I think we're drinking acid.
First taste test. Cheers.
First taste test.
It's like weird. Ew, oh my god. It's gonna get
the apple
big.
just being in the way.
It's gonna big fat nose. Look, no matter what angle. It's just the tip.
I'm like, I can't taste it because it didn't really get my tongue.
Wait, no, seriously.
You're gonna be like,
I don't even want to. Oh, that's really soury. Like, I feel like, the vodka aftertaste.
it's quite strong.
Yeah.
But like it's nice. Like the apple flavor is really nice. It is quite strong though. I'm feeling a bit loopy.
It's like weird though, because you can taste that it's strong, but you can swallow it really easily.
We should put this on our story.
Oh, I already.
Get it out, bitch.
Love And there she is, ladies
Oh,
and gentlemen.
All right. Let's get to it.
Let me get